Just the other day, yahoo, hoo, hoo, I joined a sailing boat, yahoo, hoo, hoo. Now I live upon the sea, action and adventure be the only thing I measure, yahoo, hoo, hoo. Ha 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 ha.
Yay, yay! So, I made it to Barbados. I am back on the schooner Ruth. Going to be doing seamanship training for the next 6 to 7 months, and then some regattas. And for those of you who don't know what regattas are, they are just boat races. Today is day 1. Curtis is not here yet. He stayed in St.Lucia. The training actually starts on the 28th. Today is the 22nd, so he has some time. He's supposed to actually come later today, either later today or like tomorrow or something. I am super hyped. I was supposed to actually be here since Saturday, but with the Hurricane Maria and all that going on, like the schedule just kind of got thrown off. So, but yeah, I'm not complaining. Right now I'm the only one on the boat, so I'm just taking some time to get a head start on my studying, because we have lots of theory to study as well as practical. We have exams to take, so be prepared for some epic content. And if you're interested in sailing, then you're in luck. If you're interested in skating, you are also in luck, because we're going to be doing a lot of that as well. Well, I know I am, at least. So yeah, get used to seeing me in this hat, because I'm going to be wearing it a lot.
Bruce new toys in vain in order to teach the new students.
That's me and Curtis, who is on his way here.
G, V50, VHF and combined AIS radio system. Yep, digital display, man. Easy buttons. Go through the menu. We're gonna put that guy right there. So we got the B&B stuff. That will help you all punters learn how to drive the boat properly. You know,
We do it the old-fashioned way.
Sorry. Yeah, he just called me. He had a problem getting with his one-way ticket. So I told him, yeah, he's coming to SV Ruth, and I told him the address to put on his form when he gets in. If I'd known they were coming, we could have sent him a letter, you know, from SV Ruth. So I'm much happier with this. And I tell him to hold the beam reach. Beam reach. I said beam reach, not close reach. Beam reach. Beam reach. Throw you overboard if you don't hold the beam reach. Don't want to see F11. Okay, that's the end of Christmas. That's the end of Christmas.